Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Gyani. This is Shaurya. Today I'm going to talk about a most asked topic: how to prepare for service-based companies being a non-CS IT student. In this video, I'm going to focus for non-CS IT student, but it may also useful for CS IT students also. As I'm from non-CS IT background, I'm going to focus or I'm going to take the reference as non-CS IT student. In this video, I'm going to talk about each of the sections that we'll face in the proper and actual exam in the service-based companies exam, and I'm going to give you a proper, minimal and compact resource list, and if you follow that resource list and strategy, you are going to crack the service-based company exam. This list is made not only by following my own experience but also by following my seniors and my friends' experience in the service-based company exam, and this resource is very minimal and you don't have to go to very plethora of materials. Just focus on these materials and just focus on this resource. You are going to crack the service companies exam. So just stick to the end of the video. You are going to like this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel and support me for growing the channel. Thank you. So let's get started. Okay guys, so in most of the service-based companies exam, you will find some 4 sections in common. First one is aptitude, second one is reasoning, third one is verbal ability, number 4 is coding. Now in some of the cases you can find some more sections, but in most of the companies exam you will find these 4 sections in common. So I will go through this section separately, part by part. So first one is aptitude section. So how to prepare for aptitude. For the aptitude portion, I will recommend the first site called JavaPoint. So this site is very the content is very well written, and you will find all the theories from JavaPoint website. So I will recommend the JavaPoint website because the content is well written, and also you will cover all the theories because there are all the theories in the site, and you can find all the details from there. So for the theories part, I will recommend the JavaPoint, but for quantitative aptitude, you have to practice a lot. So to practice a lot, I will recommend a book called Quantitative Aptitude by Quantum Cat by Sarvesh Kumar Verma. So this book is very helpful for placement preparation, not only for placement preparation but also for CAT or other exams. So you will find various types of examples like complex and easy to moderate examples. You can find those examples, you can practice that, and it is sufficient. If you prepare from that book, it is sufficient to clear the service-based companies. So I will recommend this book, and I will give the link in the description. You can find that book from there. So for theory, I will recommend JavaPoint, and for the practice, I will recommend the Quantum Cat. Now, in case of reasoning, I will again recommend the JavaPoint. Okay. So for the reasoning portion, I will also recommend the JavaPoint because the content is very much well written, and I feel very much suitable and I feel very much comfortable of reading that content. So just focus on the theories. Okay, just focus on the theories from JavaPoint. And for the practice, I will recommend the site called IndiaBix. Okay, you can just search IndiaBix, and you can find the section called logical. Okay, so in the logical section you can find many examples, and just believe me that questions are very useful for placement preparation. So just prepare for that, just practice a lot, and this is sufficient for logical reasoning questions. So just focus on JavaPoint for theories and just focus on IndiaBix for the practice. Now coming to the verbal portion, I will talk about 2 cases. So first one is if you are very much novice, or if you are very much not very good in English, you are beginner, then I will recommend this book called SP Bakshi. So just focus on this book, just cover all the theories, and if you find that you are very much good and if you are moderate in English, just focus on practice. Okay, so the practice is very much essential for verbal ability. So I will also recommend the IndiaBix. So for the practice, IndiaBix, and for the theories, I will recommend the SP Bakshi. So in this IndiaBix site, you will find all the sections for verbal ability, like say spellings, closest test. Okay, so you will just go through each of the sections and you will practice a lot, because the verbal ability in reasoning, practicing a lot is pretty much necessary. Okay, now comes to the crucial section. It is called the coding. Okay, so for the coding question, I will come from the data structure. Okay, so I will recommend the first site called Geeks or Geeks. So okay, so I will recommend a site called Geeks or Geeks, and you will find just a minute. if you'll find all the questions or all the theories, okay, basically all the theories very well written, because the contents that are written, it's very much useful because the contents are written by very professionals and professors. So just go through the site called GFG and just focus on the just basic. Okay, if you're non-CSIT background, just focus on the basic questions. Okay, not go in very depth. Okay, I again repeat, don't go into depth, just focus on the basic, like what is array, what is linked list, what is tag, and just their implementations. Okay, and I will recommend another site. If you find GFG is not a suitable site, then you will find the Java point. So the content is well written in Java point, and you will find no difficulty by observing the theories. So at first I will recommend the GFG. Just go to the GFG. If you find very comfortable, just go through the GFG, it is sufficient. And if you don't find the comfortability in GFG, just go to the Java point and complete all the theories from data structure. Now coming to the portion of coding, because if we have to solve some coding questions in exam. So I will recommend the first site called Prep Insta Top 100 course. Okay, just go into the Prep Insta Top 100 course and you will go get into the site called Prep Insta, and you will find some codes that is very much essential and very much useful for placement preparation. Okay, so just go through all the codes. You will find various codes like in arrays, in strings. Okay, so just cover all the, just try to cover all the questions, and just focus on practicing. Okay, just focus on practicing in editor. So this is the first site, that is Prep Insta Top 100 codes, and again I will recommend the very useful site called that is Java point. Okay, because you can think that I am just talking about Java point very often, but this is true because Java point helped me very lot. Just search Java point programs. Okay, so in the Java programming examples, you can find many questions like in numbers, in array, okay, in strings. And very interesting thing that from Java programs and Prep Insta Top 100 course, I have found similar codes. Yes, I have found similar codes in actual exam. So just believe on the sites. Okay, they are very useful for placement preparation for the coding questions. So for the coding solving questions, I will recommend the Prep Insta Top 100 course and the Java programs. So this is all about the coding questions. Okay. So these are all about the aptitude, reasoning, verbal, and Java point. These resources very much essential. These resources very much sufficient also. So just focus on these resources, and you can easily crack the surveys. So this is all about. And if you find this video very useful, if you find this video is going to help for cracking the exam, just comment down below that you find very useful, and just like and subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.